the mountain, it's like, and also I had a lot of gear to climb back onto the mountain, it's like a skill set. I learned acting very young, so it wasn't really that hard. I'm just glad that the internet didn't exist when we were in our 20s. You know what I mean?
Right.
It's sort of like ethereal.
You would have been cooked. Yeah.
I would have been cooked like it's like
to do, I have no control over it.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my
temporal. Things are dualistic. Wherever you find one polarity, there's a polar. Wherever you find one form, there's a polarity. There's a polar opposite end of the
such a guest at this particular time.
I think he's a nice guy.
I'm sorry, I'm making this about Jeff. I'm
show. No,
it's not my show.
Oh, right. It's Jeff's.
Up after like the fifth kid, gets on the horse, breaks.
For building and fly. I'm not going to test that theory, but I believe it's possible.
I do know what you mean. I love golf.
About you as well.
Well, I am. No,
listen, I have a cream golden lab retriever, and it's, come on, John. Let me ask.
So you had this ethereal, this sort of like disconnected
perception. I got into composing and arranging and
you ready up?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.